Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these super cute 24-inch spring twists. Keep on watching. So I got this hair from Amazon. Again, this is the 24-inch spring twist hair from XTrend, and I got it in the color 1B. So I'm using 2 strands for each twist. I'm inserting one horizontally and then one vertically. And this gives you that faux knotless effect. Keep on watching. So after I crochet the hair in, I split my hair in half and I put one piece of my hair inside of one side of the spring twist hair, and then I hide the other side of my hair in the other piece of the spring twist hair, as you can see me doing here. And then I'm just twisting the hair and then twisting it around each other, twisting the hair, twisting it around each other. And I'm going in with some of the braiding gel from Kiss to help just to keep my hair tucked away inside of the hair and keep everything smooth. This is definitely a beginner-friendly style, super easy to do. I would say the parting takes the longest amount of time, but the actual twists themselves are pretty simple. Since the hair is so long, I did have to flip it back and forth just so that I can continue twisting. But once I get to the end of the twist, I just twirl it around my finger a little bit, and that is it. No hot water or dipping or glue is needed, just a little twist around the ends, and they do stay in place. Absolutely love how these twists came out. This was my vacation hair for Mother's Day. Took a trip with my family to Vegas and I had a ball. This was the perfect style for it. So after all the twists are done, I'm going in with my Red by Kiss foam just to set the twist in place. So this time I decided to do something a little extra. I decided to add some beads to the end. So I'm just going in with 3 neutral color beads and I'm using my bead feeder to put these onto the spring twist. I am absolutely obsessed with this style. I will definitely be doing it again. Let me know what you think in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.